Good morning. Good morning. Welcome to spring semester. I'm literally recording this the very first day of spring semester because I thought, let's get started on a great day with learning about Canvas. So, what I have here is our Canvas page, and I've set it up in a way that maybe other professors haven't, maybe they have. I really don't know. So, I just wanted to give you a little bit of a walkthrough on this. First of all, this is our opening scene. And as you know, we already have a lot of our assignments over here on the side, looking at some ahead at some of the things that are due. But this is kind of overall how I've organized this. The very first thing you want to do really is go head over to the modules. And the modules are going to list everything that needs to be done, all the discussions, all the assignments. So we start off with I do have some tips for camera and microphone because there are going to be some things that you record on video, like here. I already had a question about audience members. When we're online, there's no requirement for audience members. I think the tribute speech may or may not ask for them, but officially, I'm not going to need them. Okay. So reach out if that assignment still says something. So, all sorts of different things about how to do a practice video, how to test your sound, and things like that. Heading back over to the modules, I have a module 0, which kind of gives us all our introductions about our class, about me, our syllabus, and so on. But I really wanted to point out right here, module 1, because this is the first week. This is the stuff that's going to be due this week. And the way that I set it up is I have an overview of everything that's going to need to be done. So, for example, we got 2 chapters to read. We've got 3 assignments. We got a course survey, which I'll tell you right now, folks, I very rarely look through them. Okay. I sometimes check to see everybody's done them, but this is a chance for you to tell me anything that could possibly go wrong this semester. And then that way, if it does go wrong, you're like, oh, but I did tell you, see in the course survey. And I'm like, I was already informed. Look at that. Look at that great communication already on day 1. The syllabus quiz and the item speech. A real quick note about all the quizzes, even though they may be due on a Wednesday or a Thursday, I always have the final chance to take that quiz that week's Friday, 11:59 p.m. And I have announcements going out on Friday, I think at 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock, just to remind you. Okay. Quizzes get the people more often than I think anything else does in this class. So if you notice, you just come on down here, you can see all the different things you're going to learn in this class. And then you go to day 1, you're going to get all the course lectures. I'm not going to wait for them to load up, no point. You'll see them all. And then the course survey here, and you'll notice there's just a nice little mix there. Online learning is so different than in the classroom learning, but I really want to encourage you all to reach out if you have any questions, not only to me, but also to your other students. So I do have a discussion page over here where there is a question and answer cafe. If you just want to put in a question and I'll check it out as they come up, or maybe you just want to talk to another student and be like, what the heck is she talking about? I'm so confused. This might be a good place. I never check them. I've had that up for years and I've never once checked to see what's in there before, during, or after class, I promise. So these are just some of the things that I just wanted to bring you up on the first day. I'm planning on setting up a assignment to do a one-on-one Zoom meeting with me, just so I can get to know you. Because I think the worst thing about asynchronous classes, and especially for public speaking, is not getting to know your professors and your other students, because I think that really makes this class an easier class than just speaking out to a bunch of strangers. But I'm here for you. Let me know if I can do anything. I'm really quick about responding to emails, or at least I try to be. So let's kick this semester's butt. And if you see any errors on my Canvas, please let me know, because sometimes I don't always catch them. Have a great spring semester, and I can't wait to see you and meet